Hey guys, it's me Bailey here, and today this is the Winter Animal Jam box. So on the front it has Animal Jam with this little, Arctic wolf on it. Yeah, and there's this tiny little castle with some animals inside. Winter animals. Oh, those are cute. Open it up. Ooh. So it says a box and play right. Whoa! Whoa, so first up, I think is this a picture frame? What's this? I don't know what it is, but it looks cool. It's got an Arctic wolf in the moon. Next we have there's a funny little sock. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's adorable. Next we have this little Arctic fox tab, which looks adorable. To show it that over. Oh, it's a gift card. I love it so much. Next we have this colour changing mug, which will probably look super cool. We have this little Arctic fox plushie, which I love. It is adorable. This little string light set for indoor use. Oh, little baubles. I could use these next Christmas. Oh, I wish they come before Christmas. The slicer gel, which for some reason is in there, and here we go. So we have this Arctic fox jam. It says add some Arctic fun to your jam collection, and Arctic fox plush, and adorable Arctic fox plus for all your winter adventures. Arctic wolf water, show your inner wolf with his jammerific wall art jamming logo, string lights, AA batteries are included, cozy logo socks, stay well baby super cool logo socks, colour change, the sky changes colour when you add your favourite hot beverage. Again, bonus item scratch card. 27, stuff look really good. Arctic foxes. Oh, I'm gonna put these on. Here are my socks, which look super fuzzy. Oh my god, I love them. So yeah, that is little colour chain mug. You have to add a hot beverage in it, and then yeah, I think I'll have some water in it now. There we have a little Arctic wolf walker. I knew it was like a picture frame. Oh, I love it. So I can't wait to put this on the wall. I think I might put it here in the nursery. I think I'll just put it right above the other ones. Here. The little snazzy is a word for these socks. These little like Arctic fox plush with like little. It looks like an Arctic wolf. These little lights that I'm gonna use at Christmas. Thank you, Animal Jam, so much for this box. Your work is appreciated every day. And thank you so much for doing this. It means so much to me. Bye.